Hey guys, yes, next video, the progress of the 140 1995 S420 W140 restoration. As you can see, I gave her a good wash on this side anyway. I got to the engine bay. If you watched my first video, you know what the engine bay looked like. That's what it looks like now. Took all the plastics off, washed out the engine bay. Looking pretty good now in there. I can at least see what the engine looks like. It's an awesome engine. I got all the leaves, rat feces out. Still didn't wash this side at all. But we're making good progress. Engine bay's almost finished. Took a good, my brother came over. We think it's the water pump. It doesn't look like it's the radiator. Some of these hoses, like right here, hard as a rock. This hose here. These two hoses, hard as a rock. Gonna have to be replaced. This big main hose back here, hard as a rock, gotta be replaced. Everything else is pretty much good as far as that goes. That's the difference. A clean car and a car that's been sitting for a couple of years. Thanks guys. I'll let you know the progress.